Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene Kufa. Thank you so much guys for joining. Thank you for watching everything. Today guys I want to cook beef. Yes, this one. It's early, it's in the morning guys. It's in the morning. I want to cook it. Let me cut this. These ones are big. This is small. It's fresh, fresh, fresh. You have to wash it properly. Oh, hey, hey. It was almost going down. Come, come, come. Oh, someone is sweeping this so the dust outside. My water. I have to boil it first. Where's the salt? Oh, okay. Hmm? Okay, so far. Yeah, let it boil. Hmm. So guys, let me show you outside. Let me show you how it is outside. You see, today it's like this. Clouds, I don't know, and a little bit of wind, but the weather is so good. The little bit of wind, you see how it is. It's not that blue, blue, blue like every day. See how it is. You see this wind I'm telling you about. You see these towels, a little bit windy, but it is good. This weather is so good. I love it. I'm cooking beef. You know, beef takes time. It takes time. This towel is dry. Let me take it out. You take inside. I'm using one hand. So guys, this is my meat. So guys, this meat I'm not gonna put onion or too much because my husband, I want to cook for my husband this time. I can just take a little bit, then I will fry it in the cooking oil because I just want the fried one with no tomato, no onion. And then we will eat with this. I have leftovers vegetables for yesterday. Yes. Then the remain meat, I will cook it later for dinner. I can just buy the cabbage and I will mix it with cabbage. I wish, I don't know, guys. Okay, maybe I'll send Prince. That's the best way, maybe. I'll send Prince to go and buy that cabbage, and then, or me, I can just go and buy the cabbage. Then I'll just cook it once. Yeah, so that you can see how I cooked it. Okay, let's wait for it. It must be soft. Me, I love the soft meat, guys. Guys, I'm just watching this movie here. Guys, I want to put it here. It will boil from here because I want to cook up. So, guys, I want to roast this meat. I'm not going to roast all of it. Oh, this one. I have to roast this one, and then this one it will remain here. It's not yet ready. I want to mix it with cabbage. I'll go and buy a cabbage. Let me leave it like this. And then the pepper, I put it here. It's going great. So let's wait for this meat. So guys, I want to pack now to save. I don't know how can I save now. I'll just do like this. What? It's not this one. These vegetables, they were so good yesterday. And these potatoes, we cooked them today. It was for breakfast. So this fruit, this one is for my husband. Then this meat, guys, I'm gonna leave it for dinner. I'm going to buy a cabbage now. Then I'll finish it cooking. Yes, we can finish it cooking together, but it's for dinner. If I finish cooking it, I can just leave it. I will not cook papa now because it's for dinner. Let it boil so that it will be soft. Okay. Guys, I'm running to that guy. I want to buy a cabbage. I want to buy a cabbage. That guy. See? Hey, the weather is not good. This one. The cabbage, you're gonna 5 rand. Yeah, they don't cut it 5 rand. Hey, why cutting that? Ah, hayisoncane. Inkulu kakhulu cela ungikhathele iso. Funa ukuyipheka namhlanje kuphela. Le inkulu kakhulu. Namatomato amakhulu. Yho, ngizowathenga late. Ngizowathenga late. Ngiyawabona ama-fresh. Angizanga nemali ngizothenga late. Ngoba plastic awunayo. Ifaka le phezulu le nto le. Ivale phezulu. Yeah. All right, siyabonga. Okay, guys, let's go with our cabbage. So, guys, I just bought this cabbage here. It's fresh. 5 rand this half. And it's fresh. These guys, they sell fresh cabbages. Fresh. I want to cut it from here. So guys, I'm cutting now the cabbage. It's fresh. I love to use this peeler, guys. You see how it comes out. Every time the cabbage out, especially for salad, I do like this. Easy, and it's easy to cook when it's small like this. Small slices. These slices are very. So guys, I've prepared my ingredients here. You see guys, I'm just waiting for this is tomato, onion. I'll cut it after, and cabbage. I'm just waiting for the meat. I love soft meat because my teeth itch. It's a problem. So I wait for this water. If it's finished, then I start to cook. So guys, I just want to wash my small clothes. As you can hear, there's music as usual. Especially this weekend. Okay guys, let me wash it while I'm still waiting for my pot. Oh, guys, there's music there. A lot. Let me just hang my clothes here. Yeah, I wash every day, guys. Hey, and it's what? They'll be dry. I know they'll be dry. just finish hanging my clothes. Guys, I finished washing. Let's wait for this water. Yes. So guys, I want to wash all these plates. You can hear the music here. I cannot record. I cannot record the music right now. I'm here at the back. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you, I really appreciate. Consider put a like and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend, tell a friend and tell a friend, even your relatives, even everyone, go and tell them, subscribe to Irene Kufa. Thank you so much. Bye, see you on my next video.